So welcome back guys, it's 2023 and this year we're going to start with a hot topic called Will AI replace us? AI has replaced F&Bs, manufacturing. Was Elon Musk right?
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
Hi guys, so my name is Ellie and today we're going to talk about AI, artificial intelligence. Since 2000, robots and automation has taken over the manufacturing jobs, 1.7 million to be exact. Before you freaked out, on the flip side, it's predicted that AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025. So it's no surprise that the rate of improvement of AI has vastly increasing, closing the gaps between humans and robots. Before you start panicking, we all know that robots and automation will eventually replace human beings' jobs. You don't have to be mad at the rich and smart people. Instead of getting mad at them, we have to learn and try to study more how to be like them. Eventually, day by day, industries has already started with AI replacing us. For example, if you go to McDonald's, instead of you ordering at the counter with a person taking your order, they have a screen when you enter McD. You order and then it goes straight to the kitchen and then you get your order itself. And then another one is a butler bot where it goes around and send you foods and everything. It's not only just manufacturing or F&B. Pretty much any other industries who has the money or the tech, it's best that you learn from it rather than you deny that it's already the 21st century and we're going into a world of technology. Why some industries decided to take robots or any AI or automation? Not only saying that you're not capable, it's also because to make your life easier. Not all industries are going to replace the robots or automations in your life. For example, if you're doing a writing job or a marketer or teaching or engineers, those are the industries that are not going to replace by AI because you still gonna need human beings to work with because you have to communicate with one another to get ideas, to get better communications. Robots were to take over this kind of jobs like engineers, teaching or writing skills. It's not gonna target human beings because these kind of jobs has human touch because you have feelings. If you take a robot to do all these things, it's just gonna be dull and straightforward. So it's not really gonna attract your audience. So we all know robots, automation and also AI or any kind of robotic stuff is good. It's very high tech, it's very wow, but there are also cons towards it. So for example, AI can do complex strategic planning, hands-on projects, works that requires monitoring. Every job has to have empathy or emotions to express because that's how you connect with one another. So if you get a robot to do it, pretty much you're just gonna be a heartless bitch. It's also important that we as humans connect with one another because that's how you understand. So to conclude whatever I said earlier, AI or any robotic will take over eventually. For example, if you're a cab driver, a receptionist, or a cashier, pretty much all of that will be automated. For something that is more personalized, humans will still have a job towards it because it's important to have emotions and expression towards it. So not everything will be replaced by AI. Instead of being mad about it, we should embrace it and try to balance things out with AI. So what do you guys think? Will AI replace us eventually? So you just comment down below, like, subscribe, do whatever that is needed for YouTube and then go with the flow.